Welcome to Showtime Grips. I'm going to do a quick little demonstration on how to install the Showtime grip. The three items that you'll get when you order the package is a clear grip, a label, and the clear double-sided tape. The shaft has been removed of the grip and the adhesive. The label has a backing on it. Remove the backing. Align the label to the end of the shaft, down the middle, smoothing it one side and then the other. The clear double-sided tape has an extended liner on one side and a slit liner on the other. Remove one side and the next. Align to the bottom of the label. This will extend past the end of the shaft. Smooth one side. It will peel right back up off of the adhesive. Smooth the other side and remove the excess tape. Squeeze together, push inside. Now to install the grip, at the cap there's a hole, a weak hole. Put your finger over it. Squirt your solvent inside. Don't be shy. Make sure you get plenty in there. And then empty it onto the shaft label. Dry it off. Tap it down. Clean it off again. Showtime grips. Ready to play.